Harvest Right is excited to introduce our newest model of home freeze dryers, the Harvest Right Pro Edition. This freeze dryer takes all of the benefits from our previous best-selling models and adds even more improvements that we've discovered through years of customer feedback, as well as continued research and development. It's exciting that all of these improvements being highlighted in this video have been made to the Harvest Right Pro series without increasing the price of any of the freeze dryers. The first thing that makes these units amazing is that Harvest Right has greatly increased the food drying capacity for each freeze dryer. So for instance, this small freeze dryer has nearly as much capacity as the medium freeze dryer had prior to these changes. And the medium freeze dryer has nearly as much capacity as our previous large unit. All of the freeze dryers, including the large and the extra large freeze dryer, have increased capacity without increasing the size and dimensions of the freeze dryers. So for some that don't have a lot of space in their homes or apartments or workplaces, this small freeze dryer with its increased capacity is now a really great choice. And this small freeze dryer, it's the most affordable freeze dryer in the world. Our new electronic components and new software make these units more affordable to run. The Harvest Right Pro uses less electricity than previous models, which of course translates into less expensive freeze drying. In addition to being more energy efficient, the new electronic components, along with new software, work together to reduce the time of freeze drying, as well as increase the quality of freeze-dried food. So batches now run faster, and sensitive food items such as fruit and candy and herbs, they turn out better. Let's look at pictures of food that was freeze-dried with the Harvest Right freeze dryer compared to the same food that was freeze-dried in other freeze dryers not made by Harvest Right. So as you can see, the difference in quality is huge. So with so many years experience, we have come to know the very best way to design and build freeze dryers. Our new Pro units have been upgraded with top-of-the-line components such as solid-state computer parts, commercial drain valves, improved electrical power inlets. These changes significantly enhance the reliability and the longevity of the Harvest Right Pro freeze dryers. Now, let's talk about one of the most important benefits of the Harvest Right freeze dryer, the industrial-grade vacuum pump. This vacuum pump is incredibly durable, reliable, and will last for years. It's 30% more powerful than previous pumps, which allows you to achieve a lower pressure faster, which translates into faster freeze drying. They're also super quiet. They're not going to make a racket in your home and require very little maintenance compared to other vacuum pumps in the freeze dryer industry. This, I promise you, is an awesome pump. Finally, Harvest Right is always striving to improve its customer support. Besides providing many trained technicians who can help diagnose most issues over the phone, we now have 6,000 technicians in 1,600 locations in all states who could come to your homes or businesses, if ever needed, to repair a freeze dryer. When it comes to freeze drying, the Pro Series, I really think it'll knock your socks off. If you want the world's best freeze dryer at an affordable price with the very best components, software, and customer support, contact Harvest Right today. You will love your freeze dryer.